Hello there, butterfly friends. I am so glad to have you with us today. We have another special surprise in store. On our butterfly adventure today, we are going to get a close-up look at our caterpillars. So I'm going to ask you to imagine, what would they feel like if they were in your hand? I wonder, let's go find out.
Just popping in so we could take a look at, kind of close up here, our caterpillars. Let's look at that. What do you think they would feel like if we could pop open the lid? I want you to think of some words that if you could hold this little guy in your hand, what would it feel like? He's got a lot of legs. Watch how he's moving. Little by little, but he's sure making it, isn't he? He kind of looks pokey. Do you think they're hard and kind of prickly? Or do you think they'd be a little squishy and bendy? I don't know. He's really moving though. Maybe the next time you are outside, you can take a look and see if you can find any caterpillar larvae out there. Oh, look at him move. Look at how he walks. It's like his legs take turns. Get along, little doggy.
So what do you think? Pretty cool, right? They are growing and they're going to get even bigger in the next several days. It's going to be awesome. So we will see you soon. I can't wait to continue our adventure, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.